Hey everyone, so here is an app, PrizePicks fantasy game. So how to install it? So just tap and then you will be able to download it. It's one of the top apps right now for fantasy sports in the US. So you can see it's in the top charts actually. You have that. And then Daily Fantasy Made Easy is the simplest, fastest, and most excited daily fantasy sports game. You choose 2 6 players and pick them more or less on their projection, then watch the money roll in. The fantasy football season, sign up and code play for 100% deposit match to $100. So then you can just open it up and then you can allow app to track, and then if you want you can just sign up and then you can just sign up with your email and promo code. So that's basically how you create an account. So just enter your email. It's not possible to create an account with Apple ID or Google, Facebook, whatever. So just proceed here, and that's how you get started.